We're starting a new tradition. When Tanner's at the house, you guys will know because he will do this.
Ready? Action.
What up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we are putting new mirrors on the car and getting rid of these gross M-style mirrors, like a Beamer. Let's admire how bunk. Some stock OEM mirrors. By chance, we got lucky somehow. I got this one from LKQ, which is a used car part place. Look it up on Google, LKQ. This one I got on eBay. This one was $50. This one was $27 with shipping. We got both now. So I got so lucky with this one on eBay because I had been looking for the last like week or two and they were all $50 or more. Normally $65, buy it now. And all of a sudden I looked and this one was on there with a bid for like 12 bucks, and then it went up. No, it was 15 and I bidded 16, $12 shipping, whatever the math is. Got it for cheap. So all in all, spent under $100 on mirrors. That is a really good deal. We're stoked. This one's got some green on it from something, maybe Plastidip. Why would you do green? I don't know. I hope it's like grease or something, but everything's still intact. We have all the bolts, so let's get this car back looking to OEM because these mirrors are much, much better. We're trying to get the door panel off right now. Trevor's testing some things. Heck yes. We took off the door panel. We're figuring out what we're doing before we show you on the next door.
Alright, step one, you're gonna wanna take the little screw down here. You're gonna take that guy out. Throw it in our handy dandy 350Z box. Then next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull up on the rear of that. Try not to break it. That's the part you're pulling out right there. Good. Pull up like that now. This has two different wiring harness on it. I'll pull right here.
The passenger side is only one wiring harness, but the driver's side has two.
And then you go on a 10mm socket, and there's gonna be one right here usually.
Oh, there's not one there?
Nope. There's gonna be one there usually, and then there's one right here. Pull that guy out. And up here you have your door handle. What you're gonna do is pull that open. Pull that open, and you have this underneath here. It's gonna pop out like that. Pops out. And then usually, if you look in there, there's usually going to be another 10mm bolt or a screw right there. Right there. But it's gone. So that's out. I think we should just be able to. And it comes off.
Metal screws that go into plastic.
Whole guy will pop off, and you kind of got to feed it through the other side. Just let that hang, and then get that wiring harness through. That's solid. And normally you would have just a simple wiring harness like this for your new mirror to plug into. Since we bought the bunk edition, we get
the car is the bunk edition, not the mirror.
Yeah, exactly. We get these custom lines that all over the place. And those are 10mm, three 10mm bolts up here as well. You only gotta protect that one.
Okay, you're right.
And if you have a custom tweeter install like we do here, it's gonna make it a little difficult getting around it. Just like that.
We hate these mirrors so much. This is exciting. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even have to touch it.
Grab the new mirror. When you're putting the mirror on, make sure you slide the new one under this piece of rubber right here. This one's ripped, so we got to figure out how to get a new one. And it's dried out, it just looks bad, but this is important that you slide it under here so that then you have a proper gap right here and it looks flush.
And we just gotta put everything back together.
Real quick, we would normally replace all of these clips right here, but I don't have any, so I'm gonna order from Amazon and we're gonna pull the door panel off again later and replace every clip on both doors so they fit and feel better. So when you close the door, there's no like movement and like creaks. So just know we're planning on doing that, but we don't have any right now. I gotta order some. And we're gonna be putting sound deadening like dynamatting and stuff like that on these doors so we can get rid of some rattles, and then maybe take the dash apart and do the same thing. Door panel is on. Now Trevor pulled this off already, and we're gonna take off the wing and see what kind of size holes we're dealing with in this trunk lid so we can kind of line up what we have in store. I don't think these holes they drilled were sealed properly, so they're kind of rusted from water.
Yeet.
Does anyone want this?
Dude, it looks so much better. Sick. I'll rock it like this.
Yeah, there we go.
Like a...
Let's get fang teeth hanging off the back. Sick. Is there a cop car over there?
Oh, stop, dude. You're rubbing it into the paint.
What paint? Oh!